Hi everyone, so today I'm going to share with you how you can compile your Python application into a fully functioning software which can run on a PC which doesn't require Python to be installed on the computer. So for this demo, I'm going to be using the calculator project we built previously on the channel. So if you haven't seen that tutorial yet, you can check it out if you're interested. So to compile our application, we're going to need help from a package called pyinstaller, and to install pyinstaller, you can enter this command in your terminal or command prompt if you're on Windows. So open up your command prompt for terminal and enter pip install pyinstaller equal 3.4. so here we are specifying the version, so we're saying pip install pyinstaller, which version is 3.4. so after you successfully install this on your computer, then you need to move to the next step, which is go back to the directory where you have your script and then open up your terminal in there. So if you have your terminal opened in that directory where you have your script, you can enter pyinstaller -one file, then you specify the name of your file where you have your code or the script. So in my case it is calculator.py, and then you hit enter and then your application start compiling. So this is going to compile my application into a Linux executable application. So if you are on Windows, it is going to be a Windows executable, and if you are on Mac, it is also going to be a Mac application. So this is going to take a while compiling the application, and I'm going to kind of pause the recording. Now our application is successfully compiled, and when we go back to our folder where you have our script, we see that a build and a dist folder has been created. So in the build folder, this is where you have all the dependencies and requirements needed to successfully run this application, and then in the dist folder, this is where you have our main application. And when you double click on this application, you see that it's successfully run, and it doesn't require you to of course enter any kind of command to run the application or use Python to run the application. It works fine how we build it, and this is how you can successfully compile the application to work on any kind of operating system or computer, depending on the operating system you're using for the build. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Cheers.